It's raining, man. Naulanan na ang mga basang sisiw.
That's the angle you wanted. Isn't this the angle you wanted? This one you said too high.
Hi guys, just got home from work. So I'm really tired with the work today. Just because it's a bit busy, which is good. Time is quick when it's busy. And for tonight, we're gonna have Korean barbecue again at the house. And I'm just gonna rest and change my clothes. And maybe we'll run tonight as well. We'll see. And then we're just gonna show you guys some stuff on the local farmers market as well, like, so you can have comparison with Woolies, Coles, and all the big supermarkets compared to the prices at local farmers market. Because what good about local farmers market is that it's like natural. It doesn't, like it goes straight there and it doesn't get processed, like, like in middle. Yes, so yeah, we'll see. And that's it. It's a bit cold. It's getting a little colder in Perth now. That's why I'm wearing puffer jacket. Yeah, overall, okay naman. And guys, I just want to thank everyone who has already watched the previous videos that we uploaded the past weeks. And we really appreciate the support that you guys are giving us. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Hi guys. So now we're just walking to the local farmers market. It's dark. How many minutes is it to local farmers market, babe?
Maybe 20 minutes walk.
Maybe 20 minutes walk. I'm hoping it's gonna be shorter. How's your day, babe?
My day's been good, thanks. About you?
My day's been busy and very busy. That's it. Hi. It's Thursday again tomorrow. How good is that? Time is just passing so quick and it's so dark. Babe, can you say that it's safe to walk in Australia even at night?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is. But of course, trust your instincts. If you feel like it's not safe tonight or tomorrow night, then don't do it. Maybe it's like God telling you not to do it because something might happen,
Yes.
Very short answer.
Yes.
Thank you for the cars that are passing by, for the instant lights that they're giving me. We're just gonna walk, guys, to the farmer's market and we'll see you there.
See ya.
See ya! Hi guys, we're now at the local farmer's market and I have hiccups. We're just gonna buy, baby. Look for the beef, please. Babe. Here it is. Show them.
Well, this is
So the beef brisket is $14.99. Sliced beef shabu shabu $16.99. Sliced pork is $12.99. And we're getting no, not for shabu shabu.
They only have the shabu shabu.
No, they have beef brisket.
See, it's just. Oh yeah, it's that side. Yeah, let me get it from other side.
Yay! Beef brisket?
Yes.
Yes, this is the thing that we use for the Korean barbecue. What else do we need?
We need some kimchi.
Kimchi. Hopefully the song doesn't come up so we can vlog more. What kimchi did we get? So they got the Bibigo slice kimchi, $8.99. This one for $4.99. This one is for $5.99.
Should we get this?
Is that the one that
we normally
before?
get. They don't have it.
Okay, yeah, let's just get this.
This looks
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, what else?
We need some mushrooms for. We need
We
Yakult.
need Yakult.
Yep.
Yeah.
Need Yakult.
Let's get Yakult. So how many pieces was it? Is it 10?
10
I think it's
pieces.
10. 10 pieces is $8.99, and then the 5 is $4.49. They have a lot of meat as well. A lot of fresh fruits. Oh, they have Filipino snacks as well. This clover, cheese balls, ding dong, boy bawang, for pulutan, a lot of stuff. And the vegetable section. Local farmers market, very nice. Lobster cracker, $5.99. Apples, eggplant.
Hello.
$41.
Yeah, I'll pay by card. Yep.
Need receipt?
No, can we get back? Yep, receipt.
I'm just eating Meiji chocolate as appetizer.
I don't know if the mic is too close to
No,
my
not really.
face.
It's fine.
It's not. So this beautiful girl just asked a question a few minutes ago. She asked if it's safe to walk in Australia, right? Well, that's such a broad question. So I wanted to. How about this one?
Yeah.
So I just wanted to talk a little bit about it. So you can ask about cities, you can ask about the suburbs, but it's like asking if. No, I'm not gonna give any example. I had a bad example in my mind. So yeah, in Perth it's relatively safe unless you live in Northbridge. No, Gosnell's safe. It's just people just make up stories to keep the rent low as compared to the suburbs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gosnells is safe. Maybe once a while you'll find a creature or a character. ASMR. A character walking, but it's okay. It's not like they're gonna attack you. We were attacked once in Fremantle, and that's one of the most expensive. And that's one of the most expensive and one of the most nicest. Well, she doesn't know the footpath rule. Look, I need to be on this side, all right, ma'am? Thank you very much. So we were attacked in Fremantle once by a really nice female human being, and yeah, and Fremantle is one of the most, posh areas in Perth.
I don't know. Every time I go to Fremantle, I feel nice. Like my soul misses Fremantle.
Yeah, that too.
Because it has this vibe of, like the beach, restaurants, the Fremantle markets. Just, it's like reminding you of,
Yeah, reminding of,
You're reminding of like the first time you're here. Because that's like one of the famous suburb in Perth.
Yeah, so we had bad experiences in one of the most expensive suburbs. And people will make videos about how dodgy Armadale is or how dodgy Mirrabooka is. What's that suburb? Malaga?
I don't know.
There's a suburb called Malaga. People will make videos on TikTok how dodgy these suburbs are, but if you are dodgy yourself, you're gonna meet dodgy people, isn't that right, babe?
No comment.
Yeah, that means yes in Tagalog. So yeah, in Perth it's relatively safe in almost all the suburbs to walk in the night.
No, but it's still better to,
Yeah.
keep safe all the time.
Yeah, be cautious and
Eat Meiji.
eat Meiji, and if somebody tries to
No, I'm gonna, like a beauty vlogger. Have yum yum.
Yeah.
Yan yan, yan yan.
yeah,
Oh, we have this in Philippines, yum yum.
konnichiwa. And be safe. Listen to my girlfriend's advice. Always be cautious while walking yourself in the night, because a lot of people, when they come to a new city or a new country, they're gonna use buses, right?
Yeah.
They're gonna use buses, they're gonna use public transport. Keep to yourself, try not to talk to strangers. I mean, it's okay, right?
It's okay.
But
Most Australians are friendly.
yeah, people are friendly here, yes. But just try to, think while. No, try to always think, like, what other person's intentions are. And I think, yeah, that's all. That's all I have to say, alright, guys?
But you can tell. Sometimes you can tell.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
just trust your instinct.
Yeah, insects. What if
Instinct.
I don't have any pet insects? All right.
Guys, do you do this like after you're done with this? You're just gonna use your finger to eat the sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, they do that.
Yummy.
Yeah. All right, that's all I had to say. Do you have any other comments? How is the food? How was Meiji? Or Meiji or whatever that.
It's really good.
It's really good.
I really enjoyed it. Thank
Did
you
you-
guys for walking with us. Even though I think the angle is
That's
Did you
the
see the
angle you
angle?
wanted. Isn't this the angle you wanted? I asked this one, you said too high. This one is not, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is one of the worst angle, and I'm alright with it. The cap looks bad. Yeah, but
not
it's
a cap.
okay. It's a beanie. Beanie. Salamin.
Bye guys.
No, bye. I have one more thing to say, alright? Can I say it?
What?
Never ever, if you're new in this country, never ever drink coffee in Hungry Jack's.
Why?
Alright? She used to work in Hungry Jack's, and even she doesn't like the coffee there. The baristas are not good. I don't know if they're
Really?
all kids. It's okay, they're all kids. Most of the kids, they.
It's just his opinion, guys, okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah, don't bash me.
No,
Don't bash me. No bashing.
But yeah, Hungry Jack's coffee isn't good. So if you.
It's okay, guys. Oh my gosh, it's raining.
Right, guys, gotta go. Bye.
Bye bye. It's raining.
Bye. Please slow down.
It's raining, man. Naulanan na ang mga basang sisiw.